Hello everyone, welcome to Build in Public with Jahid. Today is the day 26 of my 30 days challenge where I'm building a Christmas app and give it away to one of you who will build it further or me building it and launching it to iOS and Android. Let's build our today's app. Today we're going to build up a simple app that lists or tracks Boxing Day sales and discounts. So let's give it a go. As you know, after Christmas, the day 24th and 25th, all the Christmas items are going on discount. So that's called Boxing Day on sales and discounts. So we just want to make an app for that. And yeah, just build it with natively. It already asked us to connect with Supabase, so I'm going to do that here. Let me just do it actually here now. I'll connect with Networkify. This is the app that this is the project that I'm going to use it. Yeah. We have 76 tables, which are all from previous apps. So yeah, this is the 26th of my 30 days challenge, as I said, and it's super excited. I have 5 more days actually, because this month is 31 days. So I'm gonna do one more extra day because yeah, this is not 30 days month. And yeah, it's super fun. And let me know if you have some ideas for the next 5 days. I will be traveling around Germany a bit, but I'm gonna do my Build in Public challenge anyways. And also we're gonna do a New Year giveaway, so you can actually get you can get 20 prompts, for your friend, and then you can get 25 prompts for yourself if you invite one of your friends. So I'm gonna put the link in the comment section on YouTube. So please, go through that and then make a natively account for yourself, drop your email, and then invite your friend, and then you each get 25 prompts for you, and then 20 prompts for your friend. And you have to use that prompts until the new year. So before December 31 midnight. And so it's super fun. And let me know what you guys are up to. I know for most of you guys are off. It's like Christmas holidays. But yeah, just let me know if you're building something or if you're doing anything. So this is nice. It's built. I'm gonna write my next prompt. Let's connect the Supabase and build the backend. I'll wait for the building thing to finish, and then I will give my second prompt. Yep. I'm gonna make more educational and informative content as I do now. But from January, if you have some ideas or if you have specific ideas for any content that I should make, just please let me know. I would love to do that because we want you to build great apps, great mobile apps with natively. So let us know if you have any specific content in mind that you want me to do it. So I'm gonna give the second prompt. Let's build a backend and a Supabase here. So we had 76 tables. Now we have 77 tables. So one table is added. And yeah, it's super hard to find the new table here. So that's why as I mentioned all the time, just create a new project for every app that you're building, so you know actually which table is belonging to which one. Yep. You can of course add the authentication part here, the login part. I'll ask to do that as well. So just here I'm gonna write my next prompt. Let's add the authentication feature and give it a go. Nice. So here we have the login part, the authentication. So this is cool. We can try to sign. Okay, I can just sign in because I have it saved already. Perfect. So here I can see my app. Nice. I log in. I have my profile here. This is good. I'm just gonna give a prompt for the design. Make the UI nicer and Christmas vibe. Let's give it a go. So this will be my last prompt. Nice. So the design is changed. Yeah, I think this black color is somehow associated with Christmas. So yeah, but it's really up to you what type of UI you like, what type of design you like. So you can actually customize it based on what you like. But yeah, this is just like something that I want to build for today. I hope that someone can take it. From me, of course, they can customize it, they can change it not only from like for Christmas, but for other occasions. So it doesn't need to be only for Christmas. I know like Christmas is over and Boxing Day deals are also gonna end soon. But it's still, you have other occasions are coming in, so you can just use the opportunity to just change the app theme to a different one. So yeah, just go build this, and if you like to have the access for this app, just let me know. I will have to give the access to you, and then you will build it further. So this is loading. I hope it's gonna show us, because also like when we're connecting the Supabase, the mockup data should be cleaned, should be deleted. So we just need to add, the new deals and offers ourselves here. So the last design, had some issues. It was keep loading. So I just changed the design. I reverted the project, and now I just changed the design. This one, which is see it now. This is like I like this one more. Yeah, the black one was not something that I wanted, so I just revert the project and then change this design, and it's actually much nicer. So yeah, now this is how our app looks like, which is kind of quite nice. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching me, and this is the 26th day of my 30th challenge. See you for the next 5 days, and if you have any idea for any app, please let me know. I would love to build that. But thank you so much for following me, and see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.